Cops cannot arbitrarily search or pull you over. Drunk stops are illegal. Charter of Rights and Freedom. In the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which is an amendment to the British North America Act of 1867, that's the Canadian Constitution. The Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms came in 1982 under Justin Trudeau's father Pierre Trudeau, who was Prime Minister at the time. And it very, very important for Canadians, especially Section 8 and 9. And I'm going to put the link in the description for people to take a look at for themselves. Section 8 simply reads, everyone has the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure. Section 9, everyone has the right not to be arbitrarily, that is for no reason, no apparent reason, detained or imprisoned. Now, there was a case a few years ago here in Pictou County, Nova Scotia, in New Glasgow, Nova Scotia. Ed Patterson, a known local lawyer, got a guy off the drunk stop. The guy blew over the drunk stop. He was hammered. He was pissed out of his tree. And he got acquitted. He was found not guilty at trial. Why? Because it was a constitutional case. They cannot arbitrarily detain or search or seize or search anyone. The drunk stops are illegal. If you're driving down the road and your taillight isn't out or anything like that for no reason, if they're pulling you over for no reason, that's arbitrarily pulling you over. That is for no apparent reason. It is illegal. This needs to be known. Now, me putting this video up here on YouTube and in this group here, the Pictou County Awareness Group, when it comes to the pigs, yeah, I'm going to be targeted even more. But this needs to get out. This needs to get out as people are ignorant of these facts. So again, Section 8, and I'll put the link in. Everyone has the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure. They have to have, like you could say, probable cause. They can't just stop you, pull you over, even if you're walking down the street. They cannot just, okay, well, empty your pockets, let's see what you have on you. Now, Part 9, Section 9, everyone has the right not to be arbitrarily detained or imprisoned. And that is, they cannot pull you over for no reason, even if you're walking down the street. My father, rest in peace, had the Charter of Rights and Freedoms in the glove box of his car. They would pull him over for no reason. Here you go. Have a nice day, Mr. Sexton. Why? Because they do not want a constitutional case. And even if you do, even if they do find anything on you, it's an arbitrary stop. They cannot use that in court, and they would lose in court. So this is very, very pertinent. It's very important. I got my uncle up a couple times. All hammered up, just by quoting Section 8 and 9 of the Charter of Rights. And this came in 1982, as I mentioned before, under Pierre Trudeau. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description where you can go and you can read this. And it's a good idea to have this in the glove box of your car. But again, Ed Patterson got a guy off who blew over, went to trial, not guilty because it was a constitutional case. It was an unconstitutional stop. The drunk stops are illegal constitutionally. Even in the British North America Act of 1867, which is our Constitution, Section 91 is federal government rights. Section 92 is provincial government rights, and they even messed up there, but I want to make this video as succinct as possible to get the point across. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. But again, the link will be in the description. And good luck.